students, I am going to teach you English grammar today. The topic is the sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. It means there should be three things to be a sentence. First of all, a group of words. Second, proper order. Third, complete sense. A group of words, suppose that he is a word, is second word, and a is third word, boy is fourth word. So these four words are going to form a group. He is a boy. This is a sentence. Because of the presence of groups, this is a sentence. So he is a boy is a sentence. All these words are arranged in proper order as per the rules of grammar. First of all, he is placed on the place of subject, is placed on the place of verb. In this way, other words are placed on their own positions, places. Complete sense. Sense means the listener should understand what the speaker wants to say. It means sense. He is a boy. It means there is a person who is a boy. So what the speaker wants to say, it is clear. The listener can understand in the same way as the speaker wants to say. So sense is clear. So he is a boy is a sentence. If I write here he is a, what is deleted. So here there are group of words, but sense is not clear. All the words are arranged in proper order, but sense is not clear. He is a, he is a. It means what does the speaker want to say, it is not clear. That's why this group of words is not sentence. In want of sense, this is not a sentence. There is a sense, but not complete sense. So this is not sentence. Whenever we put boy here, now sense is clear. That's why this is a sentence. So sense is, complete sense is very important to be a sentence. Two things are necessary. First of all, there should be a group of words. Second, there should be complete of sense. Kinds of sentences. On the ground of meaning and order, the sentence is divided into 5 groups. First, declarative sentence. Assertive sentence is another name of declarative sentence. You can say statement also. Second is interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. Fourth is exclamatory sentence. And fifth is objective sentence. In the modern grammar, 4 kinds are given. These operative sentence is merged in imperative sentence. But there are 5 kinds of the sentence. On the ground of construction or formation, the sentence is divided into 4 parts. First, simple sentence. Second, compound sentence. Third, complex sentence. And fourth, compound complex complex sentence. Now we will know what is decreed sentence. If someone gives declaration of anything, such group of words is called decreed sentence. Suppose that he plays. This is a decreed sentence. This is a statement or assertive sentence. The playing act is explained here. No question is raised. No feeling is expressed. Only the act of playing is explained here. That's why he plays is assertive sentence or decreed sentence. Second, does he play? When a question is raised with a sentence, such type of sentence is called interrogative sentence. You can say question sentence. So, does he play is a question sentence. There will be a question mark at the end of question sentence and full stop will be used at the end of declared sentence. Come here is the example of imperative sentence. Imperative sentence: command, request, advice, suggestion, persuasion, order. These are imperative sentence. So come here is order. So that's why this is imperative sentence. Full stop will be used. What a horrible accident it was! Not of exclamation. This is the example of exclamatory sentence. The feeling of sorrow, the feeling of happiness, delight is expressed with this type of sentence. So this type of sentence needs a note of exclamation. And last one is object sentence. Wherever the feeling of curse, blessings, boon, wish is expressed with the sentence, such type of sentence is called optative sentence. May you live long. This is an optative sentence. So these are the kind of sentence, and in the next class I will teach you what is simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and the compound complex sentence. Today's homework is memorize all the kinds of sentences. Over.